Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Shlaka Ghoshal. So I'm obsessed with amazing jewelry pieces. I love dainty earrings, neck pieces, everything. And I discovered quite a few Instagram stores who sell supremely amazing quality jewelry pieces at really low, cheap rates. I can't even believe how they afford such great pieces at this low rate. So if you guys want to find out what are these stores are, and if you guys love jewelry pieces like I do, then please keep on watching. So without much further ado, let's start with the video. So the first item that I want to share with you guys is this particular daisy dainty neck piece. Just look at it. It is so cute and so nice, super cute. I've already worn it multiple times and no allergic reactions, no irritations. मतलब इसका कलर भी नहीं उतरा है, so it's really nice quality. And I'll put the price somewhere here. I got it from the store named Alankara. I'll mention links to all the Instagram stores that I bought jewelry from in the description box. So the owner of the Alankara store, she's super sweet. Amazing person she is. I totally love her store. She has got amazing collection, amazing, from traditional junk jewelry to such dainty Instagram and Pinterest worthy jewelry. It's perfect. You can check her page out and you will fall in love with the jewelry pieces that she has. So majority of the jewelry pieces that I'm going to show you guys in this video are from Alankara because I totally loved her collection. I placed 2 big orders with her. So yeah, the first one is this particular dainty piece. I love this jewelry piece so much. The next neck piece that I got is again from Alankara, and it is this thunderbolt wala symbol, the sign on the neck piece. It is pearl blue kind of color pendant ka, and uske upar you have the thunderbolt ka design, but I got it because it looks like Harry Potter wala sign, and I'm obsessed with Harry Potter, as you can already see. So that's the reason I got it. I relate it with Harry Potter, but you can definitely relate it with Thunderbolt or Flash, anything you like. So I really love it. The color, it is so nice. The pearl blue, pearl white sort of color. I am in love with this pendant. It is so nice and amazing quality, really sturdy. It looks amazing when you wear it. I'll put picture somewhere here and price somewhere here if you want to know. So this is again from the store Alankara. I love that store. Totally love that particular store, and that store is going to have a lot of orders from me in future as well because of such amazing collection. And you can definitely layer this particular neck piece or any neck piece that I got with the chain wala pieces to give that layered and thoda zyada stacked up look. So I love this. This is one of my favorite jewelry pieces that I got just because of the pendant. So the next neck piece that I got is again from Alankara, and it is this huge chain neck piece. So it is golden plus silver links together. So I really love it. It looks so nice. Just pair it with white shirt and you're good to go. It is little huge but super lightweight. It is supremely light. देख के इतना heavy लगता है ये, but it is actually super light and you won't even feel you're wearing something. इसके साथ it is not going, I know, but just the white shirt, the collared one, and बीच में neck piece and skirt, you're good to go, perfectly done. I really love it. It's a statement piece. Just pair it with your simple dress and it will change the look. It will glam that particular outfit. I love this particular neck piece so much just because it is both silver and golden. So you don't have to worry about कि oh my god ये इसके साथ नहीं जाएगा, उसके साथ नहीं जाएगा. So it is the combination of both gold and silver. So perfectly एकदम versatile piece which would go with almost all your amazing simple outfits, basic shirts, anything, and it will just change that look of particular outfit. So the next jewelry piece from Alankara is this link earring. This is terracotta color. I love the color. Just look at it, look at the color. And she has got such earrings in different colors. Lavender, yellow, white, everything. Just check her page out and you will find the color you want. I got it in the color terracotta and I'm wearing the golden one right now. So both of the earrings are from Alankara and I totally love this earring. Again, supremely light. You just don't feel like you're wearing something heavy. It is so supremely light. I love these earrings. Link earrings are so much in trend. काफी time से trend में चल रहा है and they are still in trend. So you can still get your hands on link earrings from her store at supremely low rates and amazing colors as well. Not just golden and white, silver, but you can go for like terracotta, lilac, yellow, any color you want. Just check her page out. The next jewelry piece from Alankara is this snake earrings. I mean, just look at it. I am a Slytherin Harry Potter house, so that's the reason I got snakes. And life में काफी सारे सांप पाले हुए, तो yeah, I am in love with snakes. इतने सांपों को पालने के बाद. So yeah, just kidding. So I just love this earring. I mean, it is so dainty and so classy. I just love snakes. I mean, Slytherin, yeah, what do you expect? So I got these snakes. Well, I even got this snake up bracelet. I'll show you guys next. I totally love this earring. It is so light and so cute. I mean, tiny snakes. It looks so good when you wear it. I'll insert picture somewhere here. Amazing quality at supremely low rates. So yeah, check out our page. The snake bracelet that I got is this one. So this is more like layered or stacked up bracelet. So एक है link the chain normal वाला and one is the snake and इसका eyes is green. The snake का eye and green relates to Slytherin house. Duh. So I had to get it. So I love this. It is super like delicate and it looks so good on your hand. I'll put a picture here and it is super comfortable. I've already worn it. So it's not like वो गिरते रहेगा. It has got the adjustable chain, so you can adjust it according to your wrist का size. And my wrist is थोड़ा पतला, so it fits me perfectly because of the chain they have given. So Alankara, that page has got some amazing stacked up bracelets, rings, layered jewelries, bags, everything. So if you want to buy or you just want to check out such pieces, then definitely check her page out. You will definitely fall in love. And this video is not sponsored by her by any means. She doesn't even know that I'm making this video. So yeah, you will definitely fall in love with her collection because I did, and I'm very sure you will find something that you love. I am in love with this piece and multiple pieces that I got from her. So yeah, definitely check her out. The next Instagram store is the Envy House. I'm in love with her page. She has got some amazing collection and the first jewelry piece that I got is this one. So this is Sagittarius ka logo, the Sagittarius zodiac sign on the pendant. I mean, I love zodiac signs, reading about them and everything, astrology and stuff. So this is the first one that I got, the Sagittarius, because I'm a Sagittarius. So I got this one. You will find it in all zodiac signs that you want, and they have some amazing pieces as well. So this one is really great for layering, just a simple link chain and this particular zodiac sign with a neck piece and you're good to go. I mean, such dainty pieces just change the look of your whole outfit. It can make it glammed up. Just एक chain से पूरा look change हो जाता है. So that's the reason I love jewelry so much, and this one is one of my absolute favorite. And yeah, this is amazing. I love this piece. The next jewelry piece that I got from the Envy store is this set of this Cartier rings. So you guys know about Cartier bracelets, right? So these are like Cartier bracelets in form of rings. They look super dainty, super great quality. I mean, I love, and just wearing this, your hands would look definitely pretty after you wear it. They are like so nice and so delicate. I mean, just look at it. It looks so good, so nice. I'm in love with these rings, and they have got bracelets as well if you want, the Cartier bracelets, and rings as well in multiple sizes based on your ring, like finger size. So definitely check her page out, and her jewelries are like sweat water resistant, so they are really good quality and amazing rates. So definitely check her page out. I'll link it in the description box for you guys. Check her page out and you will fall in love with these rings, I must tell you guys. The next store that I discovered is the Alchemy Works. So she sells stone jewelries. So basically the agate stones, yeah, फिर the rose quartz and everything. So I got this particular neck piece custom made from her. So she custom makes jewelry pieces as well. So this is like pink agate with rose quartz and pearls, freshwater pearls. I am in love. The owner is super sweet and super patient with you guys. I mean, you can describe her your preference and the type, the design, everything, and she will make the exact piece, and she keeps you updated in each step. I mean, she will show you guys the rose quartz that she are using, the pearls she is using, the pendant you want to select, and with each step, I mean, उसने stack up किया होगा jewelry तो वो उसका एक picture भेजेगी, then chain में लगाने के बाद she will send you picture. I mean, she takes care of all these steps and she keeps you updated with everything. I mean, she's super sweet, and I guess she's still in college. She's super young and she's doing it. I mean, I totally respect her struggle and I love her store. I keep my eyes on all the agate stones she has because I love these stones, and this looks so dainty and pretty. It is like super nice. It gives really positive vibes. I love this particular jewelry piece. I am definitely going to order multiple stone neck pieces, bracelets, everything she has from her store really soon. The next store that I discovered is called the Thrift and New. I mean, I know thrift सुनने से ऐसे लगता है कि second hand jewelry है, but no. The owner, she sells handmade jewelry. So the first earring that I got from her is this one. This is made from jute and shells. I mean, just look at it, कितना गोवा vibe देता है. You can just pair it with white shirt and it will look so good. I love it, and this is handmade. So she sells handmade jewelries and even the ready-made बाहर से वाला jewelries at really cheap prices. I mean, handmade jewelries के prices usually थोड़े high होते हैं, but on her page it is around like 150. I don't exactly remember, but I'll put it somewhere here. And she's super sweet again. I love this jewelry piece. I love shell and this whole detailing. It looks so nice. I am in love with this piece. The next earring that I got from the store Thrift and New is this one. So this has got the pearls and the whole chandbali kind of looking earring here, and this is again handmade, and this will look so good with kurtis and saris. Such delicate earrings. I mean, like, this is so traditional looking and I love it. It looks so good and amazing. I totally love this earring. It will look so good with kurtas. I'm in love with this. And her page, she has got amazing earring pieces, so if you want to check out, and this is absolute favorite of mine. I mean, it looks so nice. I am in love with this earring. So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I know I said I loved it again like multiple times, but I'm in so much love with all the pieces because they are super great quality at super low prices, and I am obsessed with those pieces, and I can't tell you guys how happy these pieces make me because they're so good. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it, and definitely check their pages out and support their small businesses and help them grow. And yeah, that's it, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.